Hey guys, MrPCEelectronics here. In this video, we're going to be talking about a computer that won't post or power on, and I'm going to give you 6 reasons why right after this. Number 1. Faulty power supply. A faulty power adapter or power supply can cause a no power issue. This happens when the components inside the power supply or power adapter become faulty. In some cases, the voltage will drop below the needed supply. When this happens, replacing the power supply or power adapter can resolve the issue. Number 2. Faulty power jack. A faulty power jack can cause a no power situation. This mainly happens from misuse causing cracked solder joints or by an internal jack connection problem. In most cases, removing the faulty power jack and replacing it with a new one will resolve the issue. Number 3. Bad or incorrect memory. In some cases, it can be the memory that is faulty. In this case, you will get a power on, but the computer will not post. Replacing the memory with the correct megahertz can fix the issue. In some cases, the memory is just bad and needs to be replaced. Replacing the memory can eliminate the no boot issue. Number 4. Bad GPU and CPU. Bad GPU or CPU will cause a no post issue. The computer will power on and the fans will spin, but there will be no display. With a desktop, you can replace the CPU and GPU, but most laptops have onboard CPUs and GPUs and are only replaceable by a professional. Replacing the GPU and CPU with a new one can resolve the issue. Number 5. Faulty motherboard components. Sometimes it's just the motherboard. On the motherboard, there's many components that can cause a short. A short circuit will cause a no power or no post issue. Finding and replacing the shorted component can fix the problem. Number 6. Bad hard drive. There's 2 types of hard drives. There's the mechanical hard drive and a solid state hard drive. A mechanical hard drive spins with a motor. In some cases, you will hear a clicking sound. When you hear the clicking sound, it's the needle inside the hard drive malfunctioning causing the failure. With a solid state drive, there's no moving parts. The defect will be a circuit board connection or a chip. Replacing the hard drive and installing a new operating system can fix the problem. Hey, if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell. If you don't click the bell, you won't get notified of my future uploads. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.